Welcome to our channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best electric pressure washers on the market right now. Whether you're tackling grime on your driveway, cleaning your car, or freshening up your patio, we've got the best options for every cleaning need. Make sure to stay until the end to find out which one is the ultimate winner. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Hsoipn HI-TH003 electric pressure washer. The Hsoipn HI-TH003 electric pressure washer is a high-performance tool designed to meet a variety of cleaning needs from residential outdoor spaces to vehicle cleaning. With its powerful pressure output and thoughtful features, it aims to provide convenience and safety. Here's a breakdown of the key pros and cons of the Hsoipn HI-TH003 to help you decide if it's the right fit for your cleaning tasks. Pros. Powerful pressure output. One of the standout features of the Hsoipn HI-TH003 is its high-pressure capability of up to 4,200 psi. This makes it ideal for tackling tough cleaning jobs, such as removing dirt, grime, and stains from driveways, patios, and house exteriors. The powerful pressure ensures deep cleaning and reduces the time spent on demanding tasks, making it perfect for heavy-duty use. Total stop system and safety features. Safety is a priority with the Hsoipn HI-TH003. The total stop system automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is not engaged, helping to extend the pump's lifespan and conserve energy. It also includes a safety lock on the spray gun, which prevents accidental spraying, making it safer to use around children or in busy environments. Furthermore, the ground fault circuit interrupter plug provides extra protection against electric shocks, especially useful in wet conditions where pressure washers are commonly used. Convenient integrated storage. The design of the HI-TH003 includes multiple storage spaces for accessories and components. Its telescopic handle, hose hook, spray gun holder, power cord hook, foam tank hanger, and nozzle hole holder all contribute to a clutter-free and organized storage experience. This integrated storage system reduces the chances of tangled cords and misplaced nozzles, making setup and cleanup hassle-free. Cons. Bulky design. The Hsoipn HI-TH003, while feature-rich, may be bulkier compared to some compact pressure washers on the market. Its powerful performance comes at the cost of portability, so users looking for a lightweight or highly mobile unit may find it challenging to maneuver, especially during extended cleaning sessions. The Hsoipn HI-TH003 electric pressure washer is a robust and versatile cleaning tool designed to tackle a wide variety of tasks, from heavy-duty outdoor cleaning to more delicate jobs like car washing. Its 4,200 psi pressure, multiple nozzle options, and safety features make it a solid choice for homeowners seeking power and convenience. Coming in at number 4, we have the LawnMaster LT506 electric pressure washer. The LawnMaster LT506 electric pressure washer is a versatile and easy-to-use cleaning tool designed to tackle a range of outdoor cleaning tasks, from porches and exteriors to cars and decks. With a manageable pressure range and useful accessories, it provides a balance between performance and affordability. In this video, we explore the key pros and cons of the LawnMaster LT506 to help you decide if it's the right fit for your cleaning needs. Pros. Adjustable pressure for various cleaning jobs. The LawnMaster LT506 offers a pressure range between 1,650 and 2,300 psi, which allows you to adjust the pressure depending on the cleaning task. This makes it suitable for both light and moderately tough jobs, such as cleaning exteriors, patios, cars, and outdoor furniture. The lower end of the PSI range can be used for more delicate surfaces, while the higher end helps tackle tougher grime, dirt, and mud on driveways or decks. 3 nozzle strengths for customizable cleaning. This pressure washer includes 3 nozzle options, allowing you to customize the spray pattern and pressure intensity based on the job. You can choose between narrow, high-pressure sprays for stubborn dirt or wider, gentler spray for larger areas or surfaces that need careful handling, like cars or windows. Foam bottle for easy car cleaning. For those who frequently clean their vehicles, the inclusion of a 20 Oz foam bottle is a helpful feature. This bottle allows you to spray aerated foam directly onto the surface, making it easier to remove dirt and grime while protecting the car's paint. Using foam is a great way to ensure a thorough clean without scratching surfaces, especially when paired with the brush accessories. Extended reach with 20 FT hose and 35 FT power cord. The combination of a 20 FT high-pressure hose and a 35 FT power cord gives the LawnMaster LT506 an impressive reach, allowing you to clean larger areas without constantly moving the unit. This extended reach is particularly useful for cleaning wide patios, driveways, or hard-to-access spots around the house without having to deal with limited movement. Cons. Limited maximum pressure for heavy-duty jobs. While the 2300 psi max is sufficient for light to medium cleaning tasks, it may fall short for users who require heavy-duty power for larger or tougher jobs, such as removing deep stains from concrete or stripping paint. If your cleaning needs include more intensive or industrial-level tasks, the LawnMaster LT506 may not offer the power necessary to complete them efficiently. The LawnMaster LT506 electric pressure washer offers a versatile and practical solution for light to moderate outdoor cleaning tasks. With an adjustable pressure range of 1,650 to 2,300 psi, useful accessories like foam bottles and brushes, and a long reach, it excels at car detailing, cleaning patios, and washing driveways. At number 3, the Flawnt JMG-80216M electric pressure washer. The Flawnt JMG-80216M electric pressure washer is designed to deliver a powerful and efficient cleaning experience with user-friendly features aimed at enhancing portability and stability. With a solid cleaning capacity and versatile nozzle options, it promises to tackle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks effectively. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of this pressure washer to help you determine if it meets your cleaning needs. Pros. Robust cleaning capacity. The Flawnt JMG-80216M delivers an impressive 20-30 psi with a peak water flow rate of 2.5 GPM. This powerful combination enables it to effectively handle tough cleaning tasks, making it suitable for a variety of surfaces, including automobiles, decks, driveways, and fences. The high pressure and flow rate can significantly reduce the time and effort required for cleaning. Enhanced portability and storage convenience. This pressure washer is equipped with an extended 26-foot high-pressure hose and Velcro fasteners, enhancing its portability and storage convenience. The long hose allows users to reach more areas without constantly repositioning the unit, making it easier to tackle larger cleaning jobs without hassle. The Velcro fasteners assist in keeping the hose organized, minimizing tangling during storage. Improved stability and maneuverability with an upgraded swivel joint mechanism and oversized wheels, the Flawnt pressure washer provides excellent stability and maneuverability. The design effectively mitigates concerns about hose entanglement, allowing users to navigate different terrains smoothly. Whether you're working on a flat driveway or uneven surfaces, this pressure washer is designed to remain stable and easy to control. Safety features. User safety is a priority with this pressure washer. It features a self-priming system for easy water access and an automatic stop feature that halts operation as soon as the handle is released. This safety mechanism helps prevent accidents and enhances user confidence during operation. Additionally, the IPX5 waterproof rating ensures that the unit can withstand splashes and water exposure, contributing to a safer user experience. Cons. Hose length limitations. Although the 26-foot high-pressure hose is an asset for extended reach, some users might find it slightly limiting for larger areas or projects requiring even more flexibility. Users with extensive properties may still need to reposition the unit periodically, which could disrupt workflow. The Flawnt JMG-80216M electric pressure washer offers a powerful and versatile cleaning solution suitable for various outdoor tasks. With features such as a robust cleaning capacity, a wide range of nozzles, and enhanced portability, it provides excellent value for homeowners and casual users. In the second spot, we have the Orgtoy OT-TH004 electric pressure washer. The Orgtoy OT-TH004 electric pressure washer is designed to tackle a variety of outdoor cleaning tasks with its impressive pressure capabilities and user-friendly features. With a focus on safety and convenience, this pressure washer is suitable for homeowners looking for a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Orgtoy OT-TH004 to help you decide if it meets your needs. Pros: powerful cleaning performance. The Orgtoy OT-TH004 boasts a maximum pressure of 4,500 psi powered by an 1800W copper core motor. This high-pressure capability makes it ideal for various applications, including cleaning driveways, patios, furniture, and vehicles. Its powerful performance allows users to effectively tackle stubborn stains and grime that other lower-pressure models may struggle with. Convenient storage solutions. The Orgtoy pressure washer is designed with fantastic storage features. It includes a sturdy hose reel, spray rack, power cord hook, foam cannon holder, and nozzle holder, all centrally located for easy access. This organized storage helps prevent entangled cords and ensures that all accessories are neatly stored away when not in use. Its compact design also allows for easy storage in garages or storage rooms. User-friendly design. The OT-TH004 is easy to use thanks to its 20-foot hose and 35-foot power cord, providing ample length for maneuvering around larger areas. Its ability to draw water from both a water tap and a bucket increases its versatility, allowing for use in various environments. Many customers have praised its ease of use, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Cons: weight and portability. While the Orgtoy pressure washer offers many features, its weight could be a concern for some users. Heavier units may be more difficult to move around, especially during extended cleaning tasks. If portability is a primary concern, users may want to consider lighter alternatives. The Orgtoy OT-TH004 electric pressure washer is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed with user safety and convenience in mind. Its impressive pressure capability, safety features, and variety of nozzles make it suitable for various cleaning tasks, from vehicles to outdoor furniture. And finally, at number 1, we have the Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer. The Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer is designed for homeowners looking to effectively tackle outdoor cleaning tasks without the hassle of gas-powered models. With a solid pressure rating and thoughtful features, it aims to deliver reliable performance for a variety of applications. Here's an overview of the pros and cons of the Greenworks GPW1602 to help you determine if it's the right pressure washer for your needs. Pros: adequate power for everyday tasks with a PSI rating of 1,600 at 1.2 GPM. The GPW1602 is powerful enough to handle a range of cleaning tasks. It effectively blasts through dirt and grime, making it suitable for cleaning cars, fences, patios, decks, driveways, and garages. This level of power is ideal for most homeowners looking to restore the cleanliness of outdoor surfaces. Versatile design. The Greenworks GPW1602 can be used in both vertical and horizontal positions, providing greater stability during operation. This flexibility allows users to choose the most comfortable and effective setup for their cleaning tasks, enhancing usability. Extended reach. Equipped with a 35-foot power cord that includes an inline GFCI, this pressure washer can be used on various exterior outlets without sacrificing power. The extended reach makes it easier to cover large areas without the need for multiple extension cords. Soap applicator for enhanced cleaning. The integrated soap applicator simplifies the cleaning process by allowing users to easily apply detergent for a deeper clean. This feature is especially beneficial when washing vehicles or tackling stubborn stains on surfaces. Convenient accessories and storage. The GPW1602 comes with 2 nozzle tips and an attachable detergent bottle, providing versatility for different cleaning tasks. Additionally, the design includes onboard accessory storage to keep everything organized and easily accessible. The tangle-free hose also enhances convenience during use. Cons: water flow rate. The 1.2 GPM flow rate may be limiting for some users, especially when cleaning larger areas or dealing with tough stains. A higher flow rate could provide a more thorough cleaning experience. The Greenworks GPW1602 electric pressure washer is a solid choice for homeowners looking for an effective and user-friendly cleaning solution for everyday outdoor tasks. Its power rating, versatility, and thoughtful design features make it suitable for cleaning vehicles, patios, and other surfaces.